Hello everybody, this is me again with another video. It's late at night, well, kind of late, it's 8:11 right now. And now basically Florence have intensified dramatically. Last video, if I'm not mistaken, that I posted, it was a category 2. It had winds of 105 miles per hour. Now, as of the 5 o'clock update, which is 3 hours ago, we won't get another update until 11 o'clock tonight. Right now, as of the 5 o'clock update, it is moving west-northwest, around 13 miles per hour. So it's still moving slow. It's actually has winds of 140 miles per hour, which makes it a strong category 4 hurricane, and it has a possibility of actually becoming a category 5. And remember, category 5 is 157 miles per hour winds, 157. So going from 140 to 157 is not a lot actually. There's a possibility, as long as the storm doesn't go through what is called a eye wall replacement cycle. When the eye wall is basically being restructured, and when it's going through that process, the eye wall falls apart, and the storm weakens dramatically, and then again gains strength again, and it replaces the eye wall. So that's why they call it eye wall replacement cycle. But it's bad for the hurricane because it weakens it significantly. So as long as Florence doesn't go through one of these cycles, it will pretty much easily intensify to a category 5. Now, will it make landfall as a category 5? Well, it's highly unlikely, I would say, because it is so far north that the conditions are not that great to really sustain a category 5, because it takes a lot. If it was further south and where the waters are warmer, the conditions are better, then there was a pretty good probability that it could make landfall as a category 5. But in general, category 5 landfall are rare. Normally, hurricanes do weaken as they approach land. And the perfect example was Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico. It was marching towards Puerto Rico until the night before as a category 5. But then overnight, it just basically, or like 24 hours before, it weakened and it made landfall as a category 4, as a strong category 4. So that basically tells us a lot. But I don't think that it will make landfall as a category 5. Definitely 4, highly, it's a good chance. So what does a category 4 means? 140 mile per hour winds. It's catastrophic. It's devastating. It's very bad. A lot of wind damage, a lot of beach erosion, a storm surge. So if you guys live near the coast in North Carolina, Wilmington area, you guys need to evacuate. Listen to your local officials. Find out what is your evacuation route, and if possible, evacuate, because that's going to be your best bet. As of right now, it's all I got for you guys regarding Hurricane Francis. I was going to say Francis. Francis happened a long time ago. Hurricane Florence. As far as Hurricane Isaac is marching still west. It's expected to actually weaken into a tropical storm as it goes past the Leeward Islands. But you never know. Waters are definitely conducive for development, and the conditions are right. So it might basically strengthen again. You never know. And then there's another disturbance south of Cuba that is expected actually to make it to the Gulf actually, and possibly develop into something and go straight for Texas. Now, keep an eye on that, guys, if you're in Texas also, because there's a chance that something might come your way. But that's all I got for you guys. I will definitely keep it posted if anything changes. Have a good night, guys. That's actually a cool lightning that is happening here in Florida. Lightning night. So I might probably leave the camera rolling a little longer so you guys can see. Oh, there you go. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.